This video shows you how you can delete room spaces. So there's two ways to do this. Simple if you're doing an individual room. Select the room space, right button click on the tear off menu, delete room. That gets rid of one individual room. If you want to do a multitude of rooms by the selecting from a filter or all of the rooms, you can go into the display menu and select room review. Room review lists all the rooms on the project. You can apply the room filter and you can then pick the rooms that you want. So if you want to remove all of the rooms in the space on the model, having them all ticked, you can untick them, deselect and select them, select delete, yes, and that then resets and removes all the rooms. Typically you would use this if you are editing the floor plans. If a new floor plan comes in, you've got to delete a room. You can individually pick the rooms and then reintroduce the geometry from the 3D model, or you can redefine the room, or you could grab an existing room, move it and stretch the grips as depicted in the initial room setting up video.